What is going on, y'all? It's your boy and I'm back. It's the same day, so please bear with me, okay? So for a quick recap, here is the RS2. This is the old one. This is my old gimbal, at least for me. It's old. Now, I just got delivered my Tilta basic ring grip. This is it here. I have never been on a ring grip before. The closest I've ever got like rigged up was with the original Ronin M. If you know about DJI Ronins, you know that was like the OG. That's what kind of made me really start loving DJI's gimbal setups. So I'm gonna do this, and I literally just unboxed it. Then I have the V-mount battery plate right here. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. Oh my God. There we go. Okay, so guys, again, I've never ever been on any of this before. Definitely have had Ronins, DJI. Nothing has been sponsored. I'm not sponsored by Sony, not sponsored by DJI, and I'm not sponsored by Tilta. But if any of you guys want to sponsor, I am so ready. So yeah, so here we go. This is the ring grip V-mount plate box, Allen key, the plate itself, box, and this is the power supply module. So box, plate, that's what it looks like here. There we go, beautiful. Allen key, box. Okay, and let me just grab my V-mount battery. Oh my gosh. So this is the newer V-mount battery. This is the 100 watts. One second. It's from Newer. Again, not sponsored, but I definitely would love to be. Okay. So I'll get ready for that soon. And as you can see, this is the Pro. It's all boxed up because if you watched the last video, you know I'm most likely going to be returning this. I bought this with my own money, and that is gonna be another deciding factor why I decided to go this route. And as you can see, again, the green stickers are still there, so I haven't even opened it up yet. So let's do that now. And ow, I never ever rip open my boxes. And here it is, guys, in its glory, the brand new, the RS4. Now, right off the bat, this is the first time I'm seeing this, and you could already tell that it's definitely feels lighter and less bulkier than the RS4 Pro. That is for a reason, because it's for mirrorless cameras. It's not for cinema cameras, so I get it. One sec. This is cords, plate. I already have my plate on there. USB to USB-A. USB-C cords, and yeah, let's get to the real thing, bro. Here's the battery box. This is stand. Yeah, you definitely could feel it is a lot different than the Pro. Yeah, is that plate on there? Yeah, I'm gonna need this plate for my gimbal because I have a different plate setup, but there we go. Nice. And here is the, bro, this is, it is so smaller than the Ronin. It is so smaller than the Ronin 4 Pro battery for sure. Again, different camera, different purpose. But yeah, it's smaller, bro. Okay, let's get that set up. Nice, feels nice. Okay, not gonna put this on yet. Let me assemble the ring. So like this, and then I guess you put this on the side that you want. Should be, so I think this is it. This is the control module part. Put it on the right side there. Hope that's on properly. And then I don't want to read the instructions. Okay, so hang on. Okay, feels good. And then, okay, so I'm getting this set up. See if this even has any charge. Dang, I think the battery is dead. I'm gonna charge it while I'm finishing up. Okay, so I'm just mounting the gimbal onto the ring itself, just like you would. Whoa. Okay, so that's locked in. It's locked in there. Okay, and I'm gonna leave that. Okay, so this is where we are right now. I'm just gonna, because I'm gonna use the V-mount battery for this power source, I'm just still gonna plug this in and see. Hang on a second. What am I doing wrong? So you have to put this all the way up, make it lock in, and then you screw it back down. Okay, so you gotta use the Allen keys and unscrew those 4 silver ones that you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So some do here. Okay, so I am now putting it here. Gonna line it back up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now I'm gonna screw them back on. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Okay, so now I have to screw these back down, all 4 of them. Okay, all right, guys. So I got that. Finally got that on. And yeah, so now I believe this is the power module here. I'm gonna do that. Same thing, just unscrew these 4. When you're putting on these modules, there's little holes that you could feel to know that is for sure is locked in place, which is really dope because it's hard to see it from this angle, but you have that little click that makes you know like, yeah, you are in the right place. So it's dope. Okay, we are good. It already has a green light showing that there is some power, I guess, in the battery, in this battery. Yeah. So I'm gonna mount this now. Wow, that's crazy, bro. So this is it. To be honest, guys, this is live. Okay, this is just me being completely, you know what? Let me switch up this setup. I'm gonna talk to you guys and tell you my honest first thoughts on the DJI Ronin RS4 and comparing it to the RS4 Pro. All right, guys, and we're back, and I am just going to be 1000% honest with you guys. Initial thoughts of the RS4. As excited as I was to get this, because I know it's half the price of the combo kit that I got, the RS4 Pro, which is this guy here. It's too heavy. Basically, he's right there. My initial thoughts is it just feels less premium than the RS4 Pro, and I can't believe this. I was waiting for this. I ordered it. I ordered both of them, and feel both of them. I cannot deny the fact that I would not feel as excited with the RS4 in comparison to the RS4 Pro. And I know it's overkill. I'm promoting this. I'm the one saying it's overkill, it's overkill. But when I'm talking about just the quality of the gimbal itself, forget the capacity, forget what the use case of it is for. When I'm comparing gimbal to gimbal quality build, I would not personally recommend the RS4 in comparison to the RS4 Pro build quality wise. Now capacity wise, then for sure, obviously this is the mirrorless one to get, the RS4, and for cinema cameras, obviously the RS4 Pro. It even shows it on the box. There's literally a cinema camera on the RS4 Pro, FX3 camera on the RS4 box. I'm gonna have to rock out with my RS4 Pro, and I can't believe it, but that's just me being completely honest. What I am excited about is my ring grip. This is gonna be my new setup, and I'm super excited about that. And unfortunately, I'm gonna be returning the RS4. It just doesn't feel like my gimbal. It doesn't feel like this is the gimbal that I want. It's just not it for me in comparison. I shouldn't have got the RS4 Pro first and felt how that feels. It just feels like a real gimbal. It feels like you really upgraded, especially coming from the RS2. That is it for me, and I hope this helped you. Between a couple hours ago, how excited I was, to how I feel right now about the RS4, I hope that you could feel the lack of excitement, and I believe that you'd probably feel that as well too. Now, unfortunately, I got the Pro Kit combo, so I have the pull focus and all the, I'm not even gonna use it. Maybe this might force me to use it. But the conclusion is, if you are looking for a premium build gimbal, go with the RS4 Pro, even if you have a mirrorless camera. If you're looking for an upgrade from the RS2 or the original Ronin, you're gonna be very happy with the RS4. I don't know about the RS3, I've never owned those gimbals. The RS2 I've had. This definitely will be an upgrade. So I hope this has helped, guys, and if I've confused you, I super apologize, but just know I'm very, very honest, and I'm not gonna recommend something that I'm not excited about. So I'm very excited about my tilted grip, not excited about the RS4. So guys, if you enjoy videos like this and you enjoy reviews like this, please consider subscribing and look out for some more videos in the very, very near future. In the meantime, in between time, keep hustling, keep creating. Let's get it ×4.